Good morning, students. Today we will continue with water chapter. It is part 3rd and video 8 of chemistry class 8th. We discussed already in previous video about element, compound, mixture. Element made up of same kinds of atom or maybe different kinds of atoms. Compound are formed by the combination of elements, two or more elements. Mixture are formed by the combination of element compound or compound compound or element element. Mixture further have three types: solution, suspension and colloid. Further, solution, it is of three kinds: unsaturated solution, saturated solution and supersaturated solution. We discussed some salt with water of crystallization are known as hydrate, and salt without water molecules are known as anhydrous. When we heat salt with water of crystallization, when we heat them, then white color powdery substance is formed. That one is anhydrous salt. Once again, when we add water inside it, again we will get hydrated salt. Then you have learnt 8 name of hydrated salt. First one, what it is? Blue vitriol. Second one, gullible salt. Here FeSO4.7H2O, green vitriol, ZnSO4.7H2O, white vitriol, Na2CO3.10H2O, washing soda, MgSO4.7H2O, Epsom salt, CuCl2, 2H2O, cobalt chloride dihydrate. Today we will continue from hygroscopic substance. Now, what are hygroscopic substances? Substances that absorb moisture from the atmosphere. That substances are called hygroscopic substance. For example, substances like calcium chloride, CaCl2, anhydrous calcium chloride, anhydrous mean without water, anhydrous magnesium chloride, MgCl2, Na2SiO3 silica gel. This one is hard silica gel. Sodium hydroxide, NaOH, sodium hydroxide. Soda lime, NaOH plus CaOH2. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4. Generally, these all hygroscopic substances used as drying agent. Which agent? Drying agent. We might have seen small cloth bag, this one, containing a solid inside, a box of medicine. This bag contains silica gel, a common drying agent, which keeps the air inside the box dry. And what is the formula of this silica gel? This one, Na2SiO3. These are all the examples of hygroscopic substances. Or what is another name of these substances? Drying agent. Drying agent like calcium chloride, sodium hydroxide and sulfuric acid. These three are used for scientific work. Deliquescent substance. Solid hygroscopic substance which absorbs so much of atmospheric moisture that the solid dissolve in it and form concentrated solution is called deliquescent substances. Hygroscopic substances like calcium chloride, sodium hydroxide and magnesium chloride are deliquescent substances. You must have observed that rock salt or crude common salt, when left in the open in the rainy season especially, appear to have melted. Actually, it does not melt at ordinary temperature. In fact, it contains highly deliquescent substance, calcium chloride and magnesium chloride as impurities. Underline calcium chloride and magnesium chloride as impurity. So it absorbs so much moisture from the atmosphere in the rainy season that it gets dissolved and appears to have melted. However, refined table salt does not show this property as it does not contain calcium chloride or magnesium chloride. Solid sodium hydroxide kept open in a beaker start looking watery within a few minutes. Sodium hydroxide, it react with carbon dioxide from also it take it from the atmosphere when we keep the sodium hydroxide in the beaker. The action of metals and metal oxide on water. Many metals and metal oxide react with water. To understand these reactions, we need to have an idea about activity series. Metal along with hydrogen have been arranged according to the activities in the series. Some common metals are given here in this series. The action of metals on water. Whenever a metal reacts with water, it does so with the view to displacing hydrogen from it. Like this. Obviously, only those metals can display hydrogen from the water which are more active than the hydrogen. That is higher than the hydrogen in the activity series. We can understand more about the metal, that which metal react vigorously with water and which metals not react with water. See in activity series how many metals are arranged. Highly reactive metal potassium, then less reactive than potassium sodium, afterward less reactive calcium, then potassium and sodium, then magnesium, next aluminium, then zinc, after zinc iron, next to iron tin, then lead, afterward hydrogen, then copper, mercury, silver, gold, and at last platinum. These are less reactive metals. And the metal above the hydrogen, highly reactive metals in the activity series. Tin and lead are higher than hydrogen in the activity series, but they do not act on water. Note down some question for the practice. What are the uses of hygroscopic substance? Second, name the impurities present in crude common salt. Third, write first 6 highly reactive metals. These questions you have to practice and read the chapter up to the action of metals and metal oxide on water. Rest of the chapter in next video we will discuss. Thank you.